In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn English with ChatGPT and improve your English fluency. Using ChatGPT as a tool in your language learning journey can really accelerate your progress, making it a fun and interactive experience. So let's dive into our first step, accessing ChatGPT. To get started, simply head over to the ChatGPT website. It's an interactive platform designed to assist you with different tasks, including language practice. Once you've reached the ChatGPT site, begin by engaging in a daily conversation with the AI. The key here is consistency. Just like learning any new skill, regular practice is essential. So whether it's a short chat about your day or a longer discussion on a specific topic, talking with ChatGPT every day will really help you become more comfortable with using English in different contexts. Remember, there's no judgment here. The AI is patient and ready to help you improve. Next, let's talk about refining your sentence structures. While you're having these conversations, keep track of the sentences you form. Once you've typed out your thoughts, you can ask ChatGPT to review your sentences. It'll provide feedback on grammar, vocabulary choices, and overall coherence. This immediate feedback loop is incredibly beneficial because it helps you learn in real time, allowing you to make instant corrections. As you progress, it might be helpful to broaden your learning resources, which brings us to our fourth tip. Ask ChatGPT for video recommendations on topics you find interesting. The great thing about watching videos is that they offer diverse vocabulary and different ways of expressing ideas, which is crucial for gaining fluency. You can filter your search according to your level of understanding and topics of interest, making the learning process engaging and tailored to your preferences. Lastly, consider creating a roleplay script with ChatGPT. Role-playing various scenarios is a fantastic way to put yourself in different linguistic situations. This not only broadens your conversational skills, but also prepares you for real-world interactions. You can practice dialogues for professional settings, casual conversations, or even tricky situations like making a complaint. Once you've created a script, read it out loud, or even better, stage a mock conversation with a friend, or practice by yourself. Incorporating these steps into your daily routine will significantly aid your English learning journey. The consistent interactions combined with leveraging multimedia resources create a well-rounded approach to language acquisition. With a tool like ChatGPT, you're not just passively learning English, but actively using it, which is a crucial factor in achieving fluency. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. So keep practicing and enjoy the process. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your English learning journey.